Of course, in India, Srila Prabhupada, he would always, at least in Mayapur, I don't know other parts, but in Mayapur, we would have between 12 and 48 hours. He would come and say, oh, very nice, this nice, that. We were holding our breath. We knew we had 12 hours. He'd give us, first of all, to encourage us. And then, at any given point, suddenly the axe would fall. What is that garbage? What is this garbage? Everywhere garbage. Everywhere I'm asking, and they're saying Jayapataka, they're saying Bhavananda. Why no one else can take any responsibility here? Why this is not right? Why that? He's walking, he said, so the floors are clean? Why these ceilings are dirty? Look in the ceiling, there's a spider web. The spider, they clean the ceiling, the spider just laying the new web. You can only look down, you cannot look up. This is not Krishna's mandir. You cannot clean. You want to simply, I'm giving my blood all over the world. I'm simply going and book money is coming and you simply want to see the whole thing crumble? How will things go on? Not even cleaning the ceiling. What thing would hit the eye? That inspired by Krishna. But that was a special mercy that, of course, now we miss. Now governing body commission, we can always be anxious that they may chastise us. Although we never want to do something to be chastised, but that is the principle of spiritual master. He has to chastise, he has to instruct. I remember Prabhupada, after a day of instruction, he would call us in and then build up our shattered consciousness. He'd say, you are so tolerant. I am so... What's the exact word he used? I can't do it justice. He said, I'm always criticizing. How do you tolerate? I'm always criticizing. But that is my position. Thankless task. Spiritual master must find out what is the defect in the disciple. If there's no defect, then he'll be already pure devotee. He'll already be at the perfectional stage. So, spiritual master means, where is the defect? Where is he not surrendering? Where is he not dedicating his life to Krishna? At what point is he failing to be completely surrendered? He has to pull out the weeds. When you pull out the weeds, naturally the roots are grown into the soil there. It may hurt, agitate the soil. Someone has to pull out the weeds. We have to be expert in pulling out our own weeds. But the spiritual master, he is also expert in showing how to pull out weeds. What are the weeds that have to be pulled out? So, today, of course, we're remembering the weed that was pulled out of this whole universe by Narasinghadev. And when Prahlad Maharaj prayed to him, he said, only thing I'm worried about is that I have a weed in my heart. The seed of desire is so strong, that should be pulled out. That's what the devotee should be fixed upon. Not what am I doing for Krishna? What am I not yet able to surrender? What fame, adoration, distinction am I still harboring? What sense gratificatory desires am I still attached to? And so on. The devotee should be looking, where is the seed of material desire till I can pull it out? When it comes, that, this is the nonsense. Get out. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And if one gets the mercy of his spiritual master, gets the mercy of senior Vaishnavas, he should take it as mercy.